Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add images to your Squarespace page. So there's a few reasons why you might actually want to add images. You may want to make your website a bit more visually appealing, and images can help break up text and help to do that very well. You could want to show off some of your products or services. As you can see here, I'm just using this template, but if we were selling some products, it's good to add images so that when people are looking to buy, they can actually see what they're going to get. It can be good to tell a story. If you're trying to tell a story about your business, products or services, they can help create a connection with visitors and make your website a bit more memorable. They can help improve your SEO as well because it provides more context for search engines to index. And it can also help you comply with regulations. So you may be required to add some images to your website to comply with regulations, such as if you are selling food, you might need to add images of your food products and website to comply with the regulations. So if you are going to add some photos, it is important to choose the right images for your needs. You want to make sure the images are high quality, relevant and visually appealing. And you also want to make sure your images are properly formatted and optimized for SEO. So how do we actually go about adding images to our site? To start with, you first need to start editing a site. So I've just chosen a template here. However, you could be starting from scratch. It doesn't actually matter. But when you're ready to add your photos, we want to look up here for this edit button. And then when we select this, we can actually start editing our site. So as you can see, there's sections already here for each of our pages. And as we scroll down, we have the option to edit our sections. So let's just say we wanted to add another photo into here. What we would want to do is select edit content. And then if we head over to content at the top, here we can see all the images or products, in this case, on this page. So if we wanted to add another one, we can just simply press add. And if we scroll down a bit, as you can see, it's now been created and the button is there too. So if we click on this again, here's where we can actually add in our image. So I'm just going to choose a random photo of my PC. So I've just chosen this photo of Walter White for the sake of the video. Obviously, if you're going to be selling a product, you want to choose your product photo. And now underneath, we can change a few more things. We can change our image. We can change our image alt text. We can change our title, and we can also change the button text. So since it says new list item, we can change this to Walter White, for example. And then the button text, we want it the same as the others, so we can just do buy now. And then down here, we can also make it redirect. So right now I haven't got it set up, but if you clicked on this and you wanted to take it to contact page, for example, you could do that if you wanted to. And then once you're done, you can back out and that has been created. So that is exactly how you can add images to your Squarespace website. Hopefully you managed to successfully get this done. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.